Hi everyone, welcome to our technical videos. Today we are going to talk about the disk participation. Usually when we buy a new laptop, the olden days, we used to get A, C, D, E, F, like that, 4 to 5 drives in each and every computer. But now they started giving only single drive. And most of the people thinks that while doing this partition we may need to do OS installation. Only at the time of OS installation we can do this partition. Other than that, we cannot do it. People think in that way. So I just wanted to let you know that we can do it. That is possible. There are a very simple method we can do disk participation. If you open my computer and see, this is a new laptop which we bought recently. So you can see here 952 GB total they have allocated to a single disk. So now I wanted at least I wanted to make it 3 different disks. I don't want to make it 4, just for my personal one, and other one I wanted to keep it for my professional. So let me show you how we can do it. Just right click on my computer and manage. So sometime you may not see this my computer box, and if you try to go to start menu and right click, you will not get the manage option. So already I have showed in another video how to bring this my computer all these icons from different methods. So I have shown in a different video, you can look into it. So after coming here, you can go to storage and disk management. Let me maximize this one. So disk management, you can see here, you may see different disks here, that disk 0, disk 0. So these are some kind of backup related, so you no need to worry about that. Just you select this one, or you can right click on anywhere. After selecting, you can right click here, or you can right click here. Okay, so just you have to shrink volume, just select the shrink volume. So let's wait for some time. So based on your system capacity, RAM capacity and other things, it will take couple of minutes. Sometime if your RAM capacity is very low, it will take couple of minutes. Since my system capacity is more powerful, so it's not taking more time. Just it is popping up just within 10 to 15 seconds. So now I just wanted to calculate and keep it make sure that these are partitioned according to the space whatever we are having. Let me go to calculator and do it. We can do it manually also, not a big deal, but I just want to make sure no mistake is happening here. So I will open up calculator. So I will take the total count. See, the total count what we have to take is most of the people are getting confusion here. So the allowed amount, the allowed volume here, you can see. Enter the amount of space to shrink the in MB. This is in MBs. This is almost 9 lakh MB. So 909361. So I wanted to make it a 3 disk. So let me make it 3. So here I can see here each and every disk we are getting is 3 lakh, almost 3 lakh MB. So I don't want to keep this C drive as a 3 lakh, but I wanted to keep it as 2.5 lakh. 2.5 lakh I can keep it C drive. So what I will do here is, instead of this 9, so we will keep 2,50,000. 2,50,000 I kept. So let me click on shrink. So I clicked on shrink. So what will happen here is it is going to unrelease or free the space, allocate the space. You can see here the free space is this is having almost maybe my calculation may be wrong. So it took almost 708 GB, but I don't want to keep it that much bigger. Let me bring it down. So I just wanted to keep it lesser amount. So maybe like you can see here unallocated space. Unallocated space is something like this is the correct one, so I will make sure that shrink the value. So this takes some time, you may have to wait most of the time. Total size after shrink MB. So let me click on this and recheck. So what we are going to be here give here is the amount what we are trying to unallocate from this. So I don't want to keep it 464 MB also. How much amount we have to make it free. So let me keep it here, total size after shrink in MB. I'm trying to keep 7. Let's see, it's not allowing. Let me keep it 6. It's not allowing. So let me keep it 2. So now the capacity is a 259 GB. You can see here 259 GB. Even if you wanted to shrink also, now it will show 259 GB only. So this is quite easy method. Even before it was we have to do this partition while doing this thing. Just go to new simple. I need to create now unallocated GB is around 700 GB. So now I will go to unallocated and click on next, and now I will take this as some 3 lakh, and next, just go to next and default. I will finish. So it will get created. Okay, just a moment, it will get created here the 300 GB disk is getting created, and the unallocated GB is again we have around 400. So new disk is added, that is a D, and here I have another one unallocated. Let me go here and let it be all this, let it go to one drive. Click on next, finish it. So this is again getting formatted, and it will get connected, it will get created another disk, that is a E. So now I have created 3 drives. Let me close this, let it be, and let's go to my computer and see. Let's go to my computer, this PC. So you can see here, this is the C drive and the D drive, E drive. So we have created the same fashion, and now we are able to see all the drives. So even you can create multiple drives as well. So even you can format this one, you can delete this value. So you can see here, you can delete it and recreate. So if I wanted to keep it 200 or 250 GB for each and every drive, I wanted to add one more drive. So I will delete these 2 and I can create another drive also. This is a quite easy simple method. So for your kind information, I will re-show how we have to do. Just select this my computer computer box and go to manage. From here you can go to disk management, disk management, you see like what are the drives available, and you may not see free space at the time like when you do this. Just you have to shrink this one. So shrink in the sense like you have to decrease the size of that one, but make sure that the free space you cannot do like more than the free space. So for example, if the disk space is 500 GB and already like you have all the like files and all 400 GB, you cannot decrease more than lesser than 400 GB. You have to decrease up to 400 GB only, so that you have to make sure. So like the GB whatever you have, that you can decrease it. Even now I wanted to decrease the D also, I can decrease it. See, I can decrease to like 2 lakh or 2,50,000. Now after decreasing like with that free space, that unreleased released space, I can create another drive. So that's how like we can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. We have a lot of videos. I hope these videos will help you. Thank you. Thanks for your support.